What recent changes in our industry have you noticed that have caused you to rethink your business strategy? Danny, what are your thoughts on that?
Yeah, some of the changes we've seen is really more people want to adapt AI or analytics into their platform. And so we've actually increased analytics on our platform. We think it helps our partners get insight on what people are ordering, why they're ordering. Is there an uptake in that particular customer segment that needs to be done? So we integrated more analytics into our platform to give partners more insight. And I think that really comes down to the fact that with the changes, you're running with either a leaner staff, maybe less money, and so you need to have more thoughtful insights in order to make a profitable change for your organization, your industry. So we decided to jump on that as well, is provide more insights, more analytics to help our partners make better decisions.